Do hair growth oils actually work? I tested Juice Boost by Ocean View, $392. That's how much I've spent on miracle growth oils in the last 2 years. Juice Boost promises thicker strands and faster growth, highlighting rosemary, peppermint, sea moss, and castor oil. A 2015 study found that after 6 months, rosemary oil was just as effective as 2% minoxidil for hair growth, but with less scalp itching. Rosemary works by improving circulation and acting as an anti-inflammatory. It helps your existing follicles do their best work. It doesn't create new ones. The other ingredients, they're trendy but lack robust data for growth. So scientifically, you're paying for the rosemary. Time to put the oil to the test. I sectioned my 4C hair and applied 5 drops to my scalp 3 times a week, followed by a 4-minute massage to boost circulation. I use no other new products. The week 0 photo shows thin edges and a visible scalp. 6 weeks later, under the exact same lighting, my part looked noticeably tighter. I measured just under ½ an inch of new growth, which is slightly faster than my usual 1/4 inch a month. Cool, but not a miracle. Beyond the ruler, the biggest win was a huge reduction in scalp itch, especially after wearing braids. By week 3, shedding in my shower dropped from a small clump to maybe 10 strands. My hair felt softer and looked healthier. So, no magical unicorn growth, but Juice Boost delivered what the science on rosemary predicts: a healthier scalp and less breakage. It helped me retain the length I was already growing, and honestly, that's a huge deal. If your hair loss is due to hormonal issues like PCOS, a topical oil won't override that. This is a hair care aid, not a medical treatment, so you should still see your doctor. If you tried Juice Boost or another rosemary heavy oil, drop your honest experience in the comments. Let's crowdsource the real data that brands won't give us. So what's the big takeaway? Hair growth oils aren't snake oil, but they aren't magic potions either. Think of them as scalp oils. Their main job is to create a healthier environment for your hair, reduce inflammation, and minimize breakage. By helping you keep the length you already grow, your hair can appear thicker and fuller. And subscribe for more science over hype. I'll catch you in the next one.